Hi boys and girls, it's Miss Davis here. Today we're going to learn about draw and write, okay? We are going to learn to be authors and illustrators. We are going to write some words and draw some pictures about the book we've been reading. It is really fun to share ideas about a book by using fancy words and drawing pictures. I need to put my name at the top to make sure that my teacher knows whose work it is. So our friends that are in class will get a paper like this. I will post a picture of this for our online work, and you're gonna just draw in your journal. Not on this is just an example, but you're going to draw in your journal, okay? Our question, so you'll have a box where you can draw a picture just like the illustrator does, okay? You may not be sure how to draw something, but that's okay. Just do your best. Okay, our question today on our draw and write sheet is, what would you do with a mouse at school? What would you do with a mouse at school? There's also some lines at the bottom where you can write like an author does. When you're writing, I want you to try to write as many sounds as you can hear in each word. It may not be all the letters, but do the best you can, okay? When we have drawing and writing time, I will ask you a question about the book we've been reading. And then you're going to talk about the question with your learning partner. After that, you'll write the words and draw pictures on your own paper. And I want you to practice, okay? I want you to get a piece of paper right now and think about this book we've been reading. If you take a mouse to school, and your question is, what would you do with a mouse at school? So as you're working today, I want you to think about drawing a picture to match and writing any words that you hear that also match your story, okay? Mommy and Daddy are going to visit you, and they're going to help you. If you're waiting for your mom or your dad, or if you're at school with a teacher, you can always write more or add detail to your picture, okay? And moms and dads, this part is for you. Many young children need help expressing their writing. You can offer to write their words as they say their message aloud. If you dictate like this, sound out the words as you write and ask the students which letters they think might make that sound as you can. You may also draw attention to capital letters that you start the sentence with and ending punctuation like we call a stop mark. Okay, when it's almost time, I want you to give your student a warning or your child a warning and tell them we're almost done with writing, okay? So I'm going to have you do that when we get done with this, this video. I want you to practice drawing and writing, okay? All right, now that you've all had time to draw and write, so if you're in class, I will pick a few students to talk about their message. But if you're at home, I want you to share with your family, okay? Real authors and illustrators share their messages, so that's what we do too. I want you to tell your family your name and explain to them what you wrote and tell us all about the picture you drew, okay? And if your student is struggling, I want you to model, meaning show them what to do and give positive feedback or asking clarifying questions, okay? And then when they're done, I want you to thank them for their drawing and their writing. And parents, I will also share this chart with you about scaffolding different levels of writing, okay? So I'm going to share this chart with you and then also share the picture of our writing prompt, okay? So boys and girls, it's really important that you work hard to draw and write. You can use these same skills when you're doing your journal at home. I want you to draw a picture of whatever mommy and daddy tells you to, and then you're going to tell them what you drew about. So if you drew about a dog, mommy or daddy might label, meaning they're going to write the word dog next to the picture, or sky, or grass. You can also give them sentences. The dog is in the grass, and mommy or daddy might write, the dog is in the grass. When you're done, I want you to copy the words that they have written, or try to sound them out yourself. Make sure to always write your name, and parents, if you'll date it at the top, and then post those pictures under the assignments each week. If you'll journal on pencil and paper, it's really, really, really good for their hand coordination and fine motor development. So although drawing on the iPad and Seesaw is fun, and that's fine to do every so often, it's really, really good to get them to write on pencil and paper and use crayons to draw. That'll develop those muscles in their hands. I hope you had a great day and having a great day, and I hope you learned a lot about drawing and writing. I love you. Bye.